Ooh, I'm just seeing this lipstick in the light. Oh, that look bad.
But I'm not changing it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making vegan funnel cakes. Let's get started. So I know I usually fry in canola oil, y'all, but today I'm gonna get fancy, okay? We're gonna use grapeseed oil to fry in. We're gonna go ahead and turn on our stove because this recipe is real quick. Funnel cakes take no time at all. So I'm gonna stop talking and let's turn the camera around. All right guys, I've already put in the dry ingredients. We have 1½ cups of flour. We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it all together. We're now gonna do 1 1/4 cups of almond milk and 1 flax egg. And in case anyone is unfamiliar with this, this is just ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Now let's mix. You want your batter to be smooth. I'm gonna add more milk if need be. All right, this is still too thick, so I'm gonna add a little bit more milk to thin it out. All right, we'll do the whole 1/4 cup. All right, so far that was 1½ cups of milk. I think that's good. All right, just did the flour check. The oil is ready to go. Of course, you cannot do a funnel cake without a funnel. I don't know what size this is, but here's my finger for reference. Does that help you? No? I'm gonna hold my finger over the funnel and I'm gonna pour in some batter. I'm gonna take this spoon out and pour in some batter. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna start drawing stuff, y'all. I'm just gonna start drawing. I want this to come out a little faster. It's a cheap funnel. Just start drawing. Come on. All right, we need a little bit more milk. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk to the batter. You wanna eventually connect everything, but right now I'm just drawing. It's already a cake, y'all. I already see it. I see it. Like a little kid. Again, this is coming out fast enough for you, but I want it to come out a tad bit faster. Just overlapping, making your cake. Ow. Alright, I think I'm good with that one. I still got more in here, but I'm good with this one. While our funnel cake cooks, y'all, I'm gonna add a splash more milk to our batter to thin it out so it'll come out a little faster. Just like a splash, like a, wow, what's that? I don't know. That's what I did. I did that. That's what I did. Pour a little faster. Nothing wrong with how fast the other one poured. I just wanted to go a little faster. Okay guys, it's been 3 minutes. Let's give it a flip. Oh, she held up, she held up. Oh, she's beautiful. You go, girl. Okay, I think that's good. That's been 30 seconds. Let's take her out. Oh, get y'all a piece of that up close without burning my kitchen. Get y'all, zoom in.
Oh yeah.
Y'all already know what comes next. Had to get a good classic paper plate from the dollar store. Now let's put on her powdered sugar because she is not dressed. She cute, but she ain't dressed. I did not own a strainer, so I picked this up. So I hope this works. And you just dust her. You just gonna dust. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh girl, girl. All right guys, there you go. But my oil's still on, so I gotta fry some more. All right, round 2 with a little bit thinner batter. Okay guys, she is out looking lovely. Oh my gosh. So this recipe will make 3 funnel cakes because I have enough to make 1 more. So let's get to frying, but you guys get the idea. So I'm not showing you this one. You get it. All right, guys. I am joined here by my taste testers,
Sierra, Shanette,
and
Jamal.
And they both put it on Instagram. I said I need somebody to come taste these funnel cakes. They said me. So I have not tried them yet, guys. So here we go.
Let's do it.
yes.
The sugar melts in real quick.
That's how I like it.
Oh, well, good. Okay.
This is actually my first time having funnel cake, I think.
Period.
Ever?
I
Your
think
life?
so. Yeah.
What have you been doing with fairs in your
I
life?
Six
know.
months?
I'm like a candy apple kind of girl.
Oh, see me, I'm not.
Okay.
That's good.
I like it.
It's really good.
Tastes like a real.
6 Flags. You know what I mean?
For anybody who doesn't have Six Flags amusement park, that's the point. Carnivals, circus, you know.
Six Flags, yeah.
I brought it with grapeseed oil, not canola. Expensive.
I thought I tasted grapeseed oil.
Did you taste $15? $15 in your mouth?
Like you couldn't even tell. Like you could just give this to someone who doesn't eat vegan, and they'd be like, "Man, give me another one."
All right, guys. So this one I dusted with powdered sugar and what is this?
That's
Chocolate.
Kind of has a chocolate chip thing happening.
I don't taste the chocolate yet.
You don't taste it?
I just bit into sugar.
See, I just had all chocolate on my fish.
My camera, it died, my bad. Go ahead. What were you
Little
saying about the
I was
chocolate?
just saying the chocolate was good, but it wasn't good as the original. So the original still winning for right now.
Nothing wrong with it, just, you know, classic. I agree too. Chocolate was a nice little kick, but I would still get original over chocolate. But you know, maybe half and half. Just put, I'm talking too much. We're gonna go to the cinnamon.
Look at
Same
that.
thing again, guys. Just dust it with cinnamon and sugar. So I'm so
pretty.
creative. I'm like
She did.
Picasso or whatever.
The original's still winning for me.
I don't know.
Oh, I like this. Girl, I don't know. You got enough cinnamon on your?
I don't think I have enough time.
I'm thinking it's winning right now.
I like it too.
I think the cinnamon is winning because, yeah.
I mean, I like the cinnamon. I like the cinnamon.
You can't go wrong. Cinnamon or original. You can't go wrong.
I'm eating air tomorrow. Air for lunch, air for dinner.
Work it out, E. Work it out. Work it out, E. Work it out. Hey, hey.
We want to really eat this off camera. So bye.
Peace out.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you next time. Peace.